Today, I want to show you how to prepare a easy roasted marinara sauce spaghetti. Yes, very easy. Anybody could do it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. And easy pasta with marinara sauce. These are my ingredients. Of course, spaghetti, 1 stick of unsalted butter, parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, and of course your favorite roasted marinara sauce. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready and waking up my garlic cloves. Yes, we are going to improve the Prego sauce. Yes, we're going to make a delicious sauce for a spaghetti. Well, here, let me show you. I want to take the skin off of the garlic cloves, and then I am ready to dice it really small. Remember that I really love garlic, so I usually add enough garlic to my sauce. And the garlic is really going to release all those amazing flavors, are really going to infuse the sauce. Well, once it's nice and diced, I'm going to transfer it here to this small plate, and then I'm going to continue with 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to dice it very small in very small little pieces, and of course transferring to another plate. And now let me show you. This is a very easy recipe, especially for beginners when you're learning to make pasta, you're learning to improve those store-bought sauce. Here I want to show you how I'm going to improve it. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, onion, garlic, unsalted butter, and of course the sauce. Roasted garlic and spices sauce and the spaghetti. First, we're going to start by making and improving the sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm adding my onion. I'm going to saute it for a couple minutes. I'm going to add the 1 stick of unsalted butter. Remember, the onion needs to get translucent. In this sauce, you're really going to not see the onion at all, but you're going to have all that amazing flavor. Of course, you're going to add the diced garlic at this moment. Add the diced garlic. Continue dissolving the unsalted butter. You really want the onion and the garlic to release the amazing flavor. Right after, add your sauce. Any kind of sauce you have at home. Remember, we are improving the sauce, the store-bought sauce at home. Once you mix it very well, you're going to leave it in very low heat. You're going to add your spices. Remember, it's going to incorporate the spices. Always cooking it in very low heat. We want this to really infuse. We want the sauce to be infused with all these amazing spices we added to it. So here, we're just going to taste, leave it here, and then we'll be back. Remember, cook it in very low heat. It's going to take time, but we have enough time. I mean, we are ready to cook the pasta. Here I have very hot water. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. When the water is boiling, I'm ready to add the pasta. Remember, when you add the pasta, keep moving it around until it really is covered under the boiling water. Take your time, add your pasta. Once the pasta is submerged into the water, Add a little bit of vegetable oil, just about a teaspoon of vegetable oil. This is so the pasta won't stick. So here, I'm just going to leave it here until the pasta is al dente. And you could see that our sauce you could barely see it bubbling. That's okay. When the pasta is ready al dente, we're going to get 1 cup of this gold liquid. Yes. And we're going to add it into our pasta, into our sauce. And now continue cooking in low heat until it starts boiling one more time. And here I'm draining my pasta. I'm going to transfer it to the same container. And now let me show you. This pasta has been simmering for about 25 minutes. Yes. And now I am ready to prepare my amazing, easy, delicious, homemade pasta. Look at this. This spaghetti is going to come out so delicious with so much flavor. Of course, being very generous with the pasta, very generous with the sauce. And I'm adding Parmesan cheese and the chili flakes on the top. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing, easy, simple, but a very delicious pasta. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. My pasta, let's see how this came out. Look at this. This just looks amazing. My home smells like if I'm in Italy. Excuse me. The sauce, so delicious. The pasta is al dente, but the sauce, incredible, delicious. Let me tell you, this pasta came out amazing. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious, easy pasta made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.